What's going on, guys? Your boy Room Leg is back again with another video. So I forgot to show you guys my room tour. I rearranged my room, make it look a little swagged out, a little bit more proper for a gentleman. So let me show y'all what it looks like. Let's go.
The next one begins. Babe, you know me, and you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, no. Ready up a cup, I'm on the no side. Text you, but I know you probably cross-eyed. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just switched the city with the G-block stainers, and we got adopted by some freaking four strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club, show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club. Enjoy the show. So we in Houston, celebrating. We're going to Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Y'all know Vegas? Now we in Houston. We're definitely going down.
I came in the door, I said it before. I never let the mic magnetize me no more, but it's biting me, inviting me to rhyme. I can't hold it back. I'm looking for the line, taking off my coat, clearing my throat. The rhyme will be kicking it till I hit my last note. My rhyme remains to find all kind of ideas. Self-esteem makes it seem like the thought took years to build, but still say a rhyme after the next one. Prepared, never scared, I'll just bless one. And you know that I'm the soloist, so Eric B, make a clap to this.